Now in front of we have question number 3 of exercise 1.2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Till now we have done with the two numbers. Now we are taking three numbers and we have to find the LCM and HCF. So prime factors of 12, prime factorization of 15, factors of 21. So 12 factors are 2. I'm directly writing it here as 2 into 2 into 3. Or we can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 3. Now 15, we can write 15 as 3 into 5. 21, 3 into 7. So the HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is common in all the three. In all the three common is 3. And what is the highest power? Already 1. So the highest common factor of all these numbers is 3. Now LCM of 12, 15, 21. LCM is, we will write all the prime numbers in this factors, all the prime numbers involved in this factors, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now the highest power of 2 is 2, highest power of 3 is 1, highest power of 5 is 1, highest power of 7 is 1. Now we will multiply this. 4 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. So our number is, when we multiply this, we will get LCM this. So LCM of 12, 15 and 21 is 420, and HCF is 12 is 3 for numbers 12, 15 and 21. Now we have to find the HCF and LCM of 17, 23 and 29. So factors of 17 is a prime number, so itself and 1. 23 is also a prime number, factors are 23 and 1. 29 is also a prime number, so its factors are 29 into 1. Now the HCF of all these three numbers is, common number in this is only 1, so 1 is its HCF. Now LCM is, write each prime number involved in this, 17 power 1, highest power is 1, 23 1, 29 1. So now we will multiply this and we will get this by multiplying these three numbers. So this is the LCM of 17, 23 and 29. Now our third part is 8. The factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. So we can write it as 2 power 3. Now next is 9. 3 into 3. We can write it as 3 power 2. 25. Factors of 25 are 5 into 5. 5 power 2. So the HCF of 8, 9 and 25 is common prime number. There is no common prime number, so only 1. Then LCM is the prime numbers involved in each factors, each number factor, that is 2, 3, 5, and the highest power of 2 is 3. 3 highest power is 2, 5 highest power is 2. Now we will solve this. 8 multiply 9 multiply 25, and when we multiply this, 8 multiply 9 multiply 25, we will get 1800, that is 1800. So this is the LCM and this is the HCF for this question. Okay, thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.